Well, looks like it's time for a keyboard. What the hell? Yeah, no, keyboard. Yeah, we're gonna do a keyboard. Welcome, Simple Rudd. This episode is going to be the first of a three-parter. I'm doing a three-parter for one, I kind of wanted to break it up into smaller chunks, and two, I don't know which switches I want to go with. I've got a decent idea. I'm probably going to go with a red linear just because it's super popular, but I've also got one at work and it's not super clickety-clackety, but it's nice and it's a huge step up. But video 2 is going to be testing them out and seeing, you know, which one I do like most, because I haven't actually sat down and tried anything outside of the red linear. So maybe I like the super blue clickies, or maybe I like some random damn purple one. I don't know yet, but we are going to find out. So don't forget to subscribe and, you know, turn those notifications on so you can see these videos when they come up. I am doing my best to keep to at least one video a week, and I think as I build up the backlog of ideas and videos, I might actually increase that amount. But for right now, one a week. So let's start getting stuff out of the box. And you know what? I want to look at this first. Now, all of this stuff in front of you, I ordered off of Amazon, not from Glorious. Mainly because this wasn't in stock in Glorious, so I couldn't actually order it there, so I had to go through Amazon and then wait on the backlist and da-da-da-da, and then it came available and they sent it, da-da-da. My only complaint on that whole situation is this box is literally the way they shipped it. Luckily the box doesn't look overly damaged, or, you know, really not a whole lot out of normal damage, so we'll see what it looks like when we get that out of the box. But this sitting on my front porch all day while I was at work, it's risky. I don't like that. But it didn't get stolen, it's in my hands, and soon it's going to be out of the box. DeWalt knives, because why not? Okay, so I've had this for a week. Haven't actually had to get it out of the box because I wanted to save it so you get an authentic video. So thank you for making me wait. But I'm not going to make you wait so long, so let's open it. Okay, so not too bad of a setup. There's this that was floating in midair. I think that was supposed to be tight on the keyboard. It was not. The keyboard is, now that we got the cable out of there, this one is a full size, so the cable does not come undone. It is wired, which I don't really care about. Some people might. So if you want the one that's not wireless, you can't get the full size. I, however, do a lot of SolidWorks and other stuff like that. I want a 10 key. And boom. And there you have it. It's nice. It's nice and weighty. So at work I have the Logitech G513, which is considerably heavier than this. But this is still very, very nice. It does have an aluminum top plate, which is very nice. The bottom is plastic. I believe this is aluminum as well, also very nice. You have your feet on the bottom. You've got your key remover. You've got these nice little grippies, which should help it from sliding around too much. I don't know how much. It's still kind of sliding, but it also still doesn't have the weight of the switches or the keycaps. Now, I will get the keycaps out of the box, but as you can tell, I only have one set of the Aura Blacks. That's not what I'm going with altogether. I will be ordering another set of keycaps and maybe some novelty keys. I don't know, there's so many options. That's why I'm doing this video. Hopefully this helps you dial down your options, because hell, I couldn't. There was just so much. It was so exciting, and I could have spent thousands of dollars on a keyboard, but I was like, wait, it's a keyboard. Now in this box you've also got a fun Ascend sticker. Nice dry packet. And a little about us card for, you know, where to go to download information. And I think that, oh, I spoke too soon. That is not all. There is also a black Ascend cap and a glorious little guy cap. So that's cool. And another, I'm guessing, keycap or switch remover along with backup 3M rubber feet. So that is actually very nice to not only have these ones on here, but a backup set in case those get damaged. Now another thing too, might be harder for you to see, maybe not, but you can hide your cable in here so that it doesn't have to come out straight through the middle. It can go either way depending on where you've got your stuff routed. So you still have some options for some nice cable routing. And next, let's go with, let's just go with keycaps. Yeah, let's see what's going on in here. This is a full set, so it's 104 keys, which should cover everything if I didn't plan on doing anything different. If you just wanted everything to match, this would be the route to go. Now I got the Aura ones so that, you know, there's extra RGB, because I'm looking at next year building a new personal computer, and I don't know how all, you know, how all out I want to go in RGB. How all out on RGB. Yeah. I don't know how much RGB I want to do, but I want to have those options. So I've got this, which is going to have more RGB than you need. And then I got a nice mouse coming in. You'll see a video on that one soon too. And that one's got, you know, more RGB than I need. But the nice thing about RGB is, turn it off. Okay, this is already fun. So, nice. I've got another little hairy guy and an Ascend button. Cool. So, these are actually really nicely packaged. As you can see, there is plastic on plastic. Or, you know, maybe you can't see, so maybe I need to show you better. But just try and get this out of here without shooting keycaps everywhere. Snug. But that holds them nice and tight and really kept everything safe. So the fun thing about these guys, one, you do have the angle, so that's going to be interesting. I've never typed with anything like that. So when everything's all said and done, it's going to be about a $200 keyboard. I hope I like it. But these are set up, so right now you can see the arrow, of course. Everything you see that is white will glow. As in, it will dissipate the light a little bit, but it'll definitely light up to whatever color you want for your RGB. So as you can tell, all of these caps are like that, and it's a lot. So that is a lot of RGB. But man, I love this packaging. You know, if anyone from Glorious is watching this, great job, guys. And if you're not watching it, you should sometime. And last but not least, the switches. Now, this is their sample pack of switches, which is sweet. It was only like 10 bucks, but it gives you, you know, here are all your options. I will try to get a picture of that to put up on the screen right now. You've got Gatoron switches. So you've got clear linear, red linear, black linear, blue clicky, green clicky, and brown tactile. And then you've got Kale switch? Probably saying that wrong, but I'm going to go with it. You got silver linear, bronze clicky, and copper tactile, and those are the speed model. Then you've got red linear, black linear, white clicky, and brown tactile, and those are the box model. And then you've got the purple pro tactile. Now each of these, as you see on this picture, shows a different, you know, force for clicking, and it also shows you the noise level 2, which is nice. As of right now, I'm sharing an office space with my girlfriend, and she will hate me if this is too loud. And there's also O-rings to dampen, which I want to try those out too. So the next video I will be testing these switches and basically trying to show you, if the O-rings make a difference and kind of give you an idea of the switches, and then ultimately pick my switch. Okay, so you've got a little bag of O-rings. There are clearly two different styles of O-ring in there. Another sticker that kind of got deformed. And then your switches, which are nicely in this foam. And this foam was nice and snug in there. There was no moving in the box. So you do have all of the options. We'll take them out in the next video. How about that? Now, one of the things I'm not going to be doing, at least hopefully not doing, is lubing any of the switches. This is my first keyboard, and I don't know that I want to go all in depth on that. I would rather get a set that are already lubricated. With that being said, nothing said whether these are or will be. So when I order them, I don't know if they come lubricated or not, because I will be picking one of these, and I will be ordering, 104 of them apparently. With that being said, that concludes part 1. Thanks for sticking around for this ride, because next video I'm going to be struggle bussing, popping these guys in there, and then I'm going to be doing a little clickety clackety tistity testity stuff as well. So again, thank you for watching.